Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, I've done a video yesterday. I've done a chicken Kiev made on a bed of, what's it called? Leeks, creamy leek. Now, unfortunately, there was no sound. I plugged my mic in, but I never turned it on. So there was no sound at all, so I can't upload that. So I'm going to do that again this week. So in the meantime, I was going to do it again today, but I thought, well, we had it yesterday. So I thought today I'm going to be doing something nice and simple. We're going to be doing a delicious gourmet burger. Let me show you what I've got. Okay, this is everything I've got, and this is what we're going to use. I got some Wagyu from Aldi. You get 4 in there, they were, I got my receipt. £4.49p for them, 4 of them. I got some of this, I've seen this loads of times, but I've never used it before. Burger melts, you get 4 in a pack. I've got Monterey Jack and barbecue, they are £1.49. That beef tomato is only 36p at the minute. That's good for a beef tomato. I've got 1 red onion, which I'm just going to cut a couple of slices off, that's all. I got some house burger relish. I got some chunky barbecue sauce, bit of salt, bit of oil, some little gems, brioche bun, and here is my garlic butter that I made. I'm going to cut a bit of that off and I'm going to put it on the burger towards the end. That's what I'm going to do. So first things first, I will get, move them, I will get 1 burger out because it's only for me at the minute. And I'll wrap the rest of them, put them away till Nat comes back and everything because they're out. So I'll get 1 burger out, I'll wrap them away, I'll cut a bit of butter off. That butter is just unsalted butter. I've done roasted garlic and some parsley. That can go back in the freezer. I'm going to do a couple of slices of beef tomato. I'm going to prepare it first, so then we've only got to fry up, haven't we? Cut the end off. A couple of slices of these. Not too thick, but thick enough if you get me. About like that, that'll do. I do like these beef tomatoes, they're nice, aren't they? Something like that. And what I will do, we will season. Move that, I'll do that in a minute. We will get a bit of oil on the old burger. Just on the one side for now. And a bit of salt. And same bit of salt on the old tomatoes. Rub that in. And we'll season the other side when we're frying that side up. So what I'll do is I'll get the pan heating up. Okay, the pan is hot. A little bit of oil, not a lot, because you've got oil on your old burger. And you're going to have your butter. Well, I'm having my butter in there anyway. And what we're going to do, we're going to get it in and we're going to seal it. Wash my hands. And while that's sealing, bit of oil again on the top of this one, and we'll season that one. It's only been a couple of minutes, let's have a look. There we go, that's getting the seal, lovely. We'll seal that side. Okay guys, I'm just getting that fat round there. I'm going to get my bun in now. I'm just going to toast my bun first. Okay, they should be done now, I think. Have a look. Good old brioche toasted. There we go. We'll get them out. Check my burger. Flip it over. Oh yes, that's looking nice now. I'm going to get my butter on. We're going to melt some of that. And I'm going to get my tomatoes in. Just for a minute. And I've done 2 onion. We're going to get them in and all. I'm not actually caramelising the onion. I'm just going to make them a little bit softer, that's all. Okay, that will do for me onions. I don't know if you can see. properly. And turn them over. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was a shame about that, what's it called? That chicken Kiev. Really was. But I will do it again. It was absolutely delicious. Oh yes, we'll take them fried tomatoes out now. Looking nice. And it says with these melts, put them on and put them under the grill. I'm not going to put them under the grill, I'm just going to stick it on there. I'm just going to put the lid on it for a minute or two, just to melt up, that's all I'm going to do. We do all different ones of these melts, there they are, look. Just whack that on top. And I'll turn the oven up, the hob off, and I'll put the lid on. Just to melt it over a bit for 30 seconds. Okay guys, while we're waiting for that cheese to melt, that burger, what's it called, burger melt, I'm going to get me chunky burger sauce, 95p that was. LD. There it is. Oh, smells nice. Smells nice. We're going to get some of that on the bottom. That's going to go right on the bottom there. I'm going to put a bit on as well. Like so. Oh, yes. Then I've got myself a couple of baby gems. I just washed and cut the ends off because I don't like the ends on my burgers. Put it that way. Like so. Then I'm waiting on my burger, which should be about done. Let me have a look. Yep, that'll do us. That will do. To get another spatula out of a previous one in the sink. We'll put that on there. Like that. Then we'll put the lovely tomatoes on, eh? Beef tomatoes. A couple of them on. Then we'll put some red onion. And then we've got some burger relish. This was £1.29, I think this burger relish was. New as well. Can't open this one. But yeah, oh, there it is. Gone everywhere. Let's have a taste. Ooh, oh yeah, that's nice. And we'll get a bit of that on there. Big hole in that, look at that hole. Ain't gonna have too much of that, are we? Maybe that. And we'll get that on top. Like so. Oh yes. Well then, simple, delicious, 15-minute burger. Oh yes. So, there we go. Ooh, yes. I'm looking forward to this. I ain't had nothing else with it. It is quite a big one. Oh, yes. Looks nice, though. See all the juice coming out of it now. Look, I don't know if you can see it on the plate. All the juice coming out. Look at that. That's what you want, isn't it? And get it all down your top. Oh, let's pick it up. Cheers. Oh, I'm going to make a mess on this one, guys, I'm afraid. I'm going to make a mess. That is delicious. Oh. Oh, them beef tomatoes as well, bit of salt on there. Them melts, I like them melts. Tastes that barbecue. I'm not a big fan of barbecue, but I do like them. It's all falling apart now, look. That's what makes a good burger, ain't it? All falling apart. Oh yes. Oh, that's lovely. Nice 15-minute burger for the football. Oh, poor Scotland yesterday, eh? Got an hammering, didn't they? Oh. Right, guys, there you go. A nice, simple 15-minute burger. That's all it takes. I'm going to go and eat it. I'll do Nats when she gets back. She's gone into town. Yeah, and I'm going to do that other chicken calf again. I don't know. Took me ages to do that as well. You know, preparing and putting things in the freezer and... Oh, what a ball ache that was. Never mind, but it was delicious. I will do that again. I'll do it next week. As I say, I don't know the video tomorrow. Lad's birthday today. So I says we'll get him a... Well, he says he wanted a pizza from Papa John's. So we're going to have Papa John's. So I'll probably do that as a video tomorrow. Till the next time, guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.